Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to save and export video projects in Adobe Premiere Pro. As you can see, I have a video on my timeline. Suppose my editing is done and now I need to export the video. But before that, we need to save this project so that we can reuse it in the future if needed. For this, click on File, then Save As. Now go to the location where you want to save your project. You can create a dedicated folder for this. Right-click on the window, then select New and create a folder. Give the folder a name and open it. Now check if the file type is a Premiere Pro project, otherwise it may become corrupted in the future. Now click on Save. Let's export the video now. In the top left menu, go to Export. Give a name to your video file. Click on Format and make sure that H.264 is selected. Now click on Range and select Entire Source as the range. After you're done, click on Export. Depending on your video file, it may take a few moments to export. Now let's close the app and go to our saving location. This is the folder we just created. If I open this folder, you can see the exported file and our Premiere Pro project file. By following these steps, you can save and export video projects in Premiere Pro successfully. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.